Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Samsung Smart TV. That's an older model here. So if I press menu and I want to go all the way down to support right here, then go to the right. Now if this is grayed out, what you want to do is actually go to a different source. You want to go to the TV source and close down any application you have in the background. So let's go to TV. Press menu now, then go back down to support. Then you want to go to self-diagnosis, and then you want to go to reset right here. So let's select reset. It says all settings will return to factory default except network settings. So now you're going to have to enter in your PIN, and the default PIN is 0000. All settings will return to factory settings except network settings. Let's go to yes. Alright, so the TV will automatically turn off now and turn on, and you should be good to go. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.